Hello traders, so I'm back with another video. In this video I will take one trade and will explain the complete setup, the strategy that I am using so that you can apply it in your live trading sessions. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you follow our previous videos to get the better understanding of our strategy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart, and what I can see here is that market is at a support level, and if we have a breakout here, we can take the trade. So let's wait for the market to break this level. What I'm expecting is that market will break this level. If not, no worries, we will take trades. So okay, it's moving upward. Okay, let the market do its thing. It's a great candlestick setup. Okay, okay, so we have taken a trade here. Let me explain you the trade first. So what I was saying, that market was moving downward, it was a downtrend, but suddenly I can see that there is a reversal. These patterns, like head, the shoulders, the head and the shoulders, are suggesting that the market will go up. I can see the double bottom here also. It's not the bottom, but still these are quite convincing to me. For the next 5 minutes, it was for me that the market will go upward because it is creating higher highs and higher lows for me. So that's why I took the trade. Why? Because the candlestick was strong, the momentum was strong. It broke through this particular resistance. You can see it was a breakout. The immediate resistance is being broken by the candle. It was a pure engulfing candle, a strong, which suggests momentum. The previous candlestick were very weak, so I took the trade. So let's wait for the results and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, we have won this trade, and let me again explain you the trade. So first of all, the thing which I noticed is the price action. The market was moving in the downward direction, but what I saw that market was breaking its highs. As you can see, these were the previous high. It's been broken, showing that market is now creating new higher and is moving in the upward direction. If you look carefully, if you create a trend line here, you will see that market is moving in the upward direction, creating higher highs and higher lows, which is a sign that market wants to go up. Second thing which I noticed, that as the market is moving upward, it stopped at the previous support level because the market was moving up. So this is a strong support level, and it stopped here. The momentum was very high, but still market was not able to break through. Third thing, you can see these three candles, they are the sign that market is in indecision. When market is in indecision, the momentum in either direction confirms the trend. As you can see, this green candle, this bullish candle, confirms that the market wants to go in the favor of buyers, and that's why I took the trade after it broke through this near resistance level, the immediate resistance level. The candlestick was formed on a strong support level. A good momentum was there, the strong volume was there, a good candlestick pattern, the direction of the trend, and everything was in our favor, and that's why I took the trade. So that's how you can take the trades if you want to go against the trend. And if you find things like that, it's better to stick with this strategy. So I will finish this video here, and if you find value in this video, make sure you like this video, comment us and tell us what you think about this video. If you want to, you can share this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Make sure you follow us so that you get regularly updated. I will leave you now, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.